Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. She's finally here, Blue Rabbit. So this is a release from not Takara, but from Good Smile Company. There you go. This is my first Good Smile Company Blythe stock doll, so I'm very curious about her and how she compares to the other dolls that I have that are stock, all of which were produced by Takara. So real quick before I open her up, I thought I would mention for people who maybe haven't purchased a stock doll before from CC Toys. It did take a while for her to get here. However, I want to just point out that they do a really nice job wrapping their dolls. This box was in this plastic wrap, and then inside this shipping box here, which was inside this box. Okay, so yeah, so she arrived in a very good shape. Checking my Blythe app, and yeah, so she's the third release. First we had a Song of London Mary. These were special dolls, so they are still Takara. And then Float Away Dream was the second release. And we had another special doll, and then Blue Rabbit. And coming up next is the 21st anniversary doll, Juno Estella. And this just came out recently. Lovely Catherine's Corner, just her drawings have come out. So this is who I'm looking at today, Blue Rabbit. So here's her stats real quick. She came out in July 2022, and I am filming this, by the way, in the end of August. So yes, she was delayed. Her faceplate is an RBL Evolution, which is the new faceplate that Good Smile Company now has. And then her hair is considered light brown. Skin tone is fair. Light brown eye chips. Let's see. Light brown eye chips. Front. Oh, so she has special light brown front-facing eye chips. That must be what she's wearing right now. And she has regular pink front, which I'm not keen on. Why? Get rid of those damn pink chips, people. And then her right eyes are green and her left are blue. Her blusher is salmon. She has light green eyeshadow. Her lips are pink. She has the regular pole ring. And then she has her stock, which is an apron, a dress, head accessory, bag, petty pants, short socks, shoes. That's kind of nice. And so as far as her features go, like I said, she has a special light brown front-facing eye chips. Oh, and she has salmon pink manicure. That's nice. All right, so let's get this girl. Let me pull her out of the box for you. So, oh, just here's a quick look at the box. She's got little bunnies here. Very cute. Very cute box. I do not keep boxes because I just don't have the space. I'm tempted though. It is pretty. See, there's little bunnies everywhere. Little blue bunnies. She's supposed to be a Mori girl, according to her story. Oh, I say they do have still doing the cutouts. That's interesting. So you can pop this little cardboard piece out and stick it on your stand if you want. I don't typically do that. I might this time, but you know, these are things that get lost easily in my world, at least. So this is her headpiece. We've got her little shoes. Those look super cute. Looks like some stockings, I think. And I'm not sure what that is. She's got a nice little tote bag. Looks like it's made out of burlap. A green stand. That's kind of different. So she has got two. Yeah, so she's got a dress and an overdress. Like a dress and then like an apron style overdress. All right, so let me get her out of here and we can take a closer look at her. All right, I'm back. I got everything out of there. I will say Good Smile Company is basically taking cues from Takara as far as the difficulty level of getting these dolls out of the boxes. Goodness gracious. Okay. So this is a super cute little tote bag. Very well made. These feel like, are these real leather? These might be real leather straps. And notice the little hardware here. Very cute. We have the green stand, like I said, and I don't think I've seen a green stand for a while, so that's kind of different. So she's got her dolly stand. You know, because green, because she's a Maury girl, so she goes strolling out in the woods. These shoes are super adorable, and they're kind of squishy. They're soft. Woo, woo, woo. So I like these. I like these. These are cute. I was kind of hoping she had those cute black boots that they have sometimes on some of the dolls, but these are a close second. I do like these a lot. Quite, yeah. She could wear these with lots of stuff. Though I don't know how much I'm going to redress her. I like the Maury girl style, so she'll probably be wearing this quite a bit. These are the stockings she has. So these are not full-length stockings, but she doesn't need them because check out these little bloomers. That's what was folded up on the side. I wasn't sure what they were. But look how detailed. These got beautiful little eyelet lace here around the edges. A couple of rows here of, you know, delicate sewing details there. Very, very cute. Elastic at the top, so they're just going to slide on her. So I have to add those to her. And then here is her headpiece, her little head scarfy thing. How pretty. Yes, I've seen pictures of her with this on. So you can see it's sort of a mesh fabric. It's surprisingly soft. That's just going to look so cute on her. It's pretty big. Of course, she has a huge head, so these scarves have to be kind of big. And then as far as her outfit goes, she has a dress and over a dress. And so it's tied in the back. Oh, and look at the sides here. Okay. So that's sort of a pinafore, apron style. And that's on the sides. Can't almost not see that if you didn't really look. And then underneath she has an adorable little white dress. Look how cute. So it's nice so you can have her wearing the pinafore over the dress or not. I'm curious. I'm going to take the pinafore off and just see what the dress looks like without it. So crisscrosses in the back. Oh, and there's a little, is that Velcro? Yeah. Velcro. Pull that off. Oh, what a pretty dress. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Look at those sleeves. Yeah, they definitely, with Good Smile Company, have upped their game on the stock for sure on these newer dolls. All right, so you can see she's got all kind of plastic, which is nice to see. She's got plastic on her arms, plastic on her legs. Oh, and she does have some undies, so that's interesting. She has the regular low-end, you know, just nylon underwear, but then she also has her pantaloons too. So that's kind of cool. That's a nice little detail in addition. So I'm going to take the plastic off of her and everything and bring her back. I'm going to, I'm not going to lie, I'm a little bit afraid of this hair. All right, yikes. Let me pull it off. Oh, don't be greasy. Don't be nasty. Don't be too dry. Be perfect, please. Oh, I know she's supposed to have wavy hair. Okay, it's not too bad. It's a little greasy, but not horrible. You know, if you don't want it too dry, because then it just gets dry, right? So, that doesn't feel too bad. Not bad. I think this is very combable. Let me take the other one out. Yeah, I think she's going to be combable. So this is like a chestnut brown. Let me take the little thingy off the back here. There we go. But I think she's got a really nice vibe to her. All right, so those are her special brown chips, front facing. Let's look at her other chips. There's her eyeshadow, green. Not bad. I do like it okay. Those are her side green. Oh, I like the side green on her. This is probably going to be pink. Yep. Don't like the pink, people. This will be the side blue. Oh, wow, side blue. How pretty. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, she didn't have those pink eyes. She'd almost be a perfect doll, I think, for me. Okie dokie. So she has a regular pull charm. Nothing fancy about it. Though you can always add stuff. I might have my sister Tapping Flamingo make her a Maury Girl style little charm for her pull ring. Alright, so I'm going to comb her hair out a little bit using a wide tooth comb. She does not have air holes. Oh, let's look at her. It reminds me, before I do that, she has... oh, am I going to have to take this dress off? Yeah, I'm going to have to... Okay, let me take the dress off and then we can look at her fingernails. Because remember, she has fingernail polish. Alright, she's back. I wanted to show you these bloomers. Look how cute they are. Alright, here is her manicure. It's very light. Very light. Light pink. I think they said it was salmon if I remember correctly. Super cute. Alright, so I'm going to get her dress back on her and I'm going to comb out her hair. We'll see what she looks like. Fingers crossed it's just going to need a comb out and not a spa. Okie dokie. I combed her hair out. And I have to say, I'm very impressed. It's pretty nice. I don't even think a spa is necessary. I'm like, wow. Her hair's super long. It's probably a couple inches from the bottom of her feet, so it's quite long. But it's beautiful color. It's thick, but not overly thick. When I was combing it, I was a little concerned because I did see some, you know, scalp here. But then when I just combed it like it's supposed to be combed, instead of pulling it back, it covers everything. So it's, as far as texture goes, you know, typical. It's a little bit greasy and a little bit dry on the ends, but I mean, like a hair, you know. I think actually her hair is actually perfect. I mean, I'm quite impressed with it. Beautiful. Love the color. It's very rich looking. It looks nice with her brown eye chips. You know, the only ones I don't like are the pink. And if I was the type to change out stock dolls' eye chips, that's probably what I would do, but I don't do that. Now, as far as her mold goes, this is a new mold, and it is, you know, different from any of the previous molds. The lips are more pronounced, and they almost have a little bit of an upturn to them. This doll has a bit of a strong face-up, more than I would have expected, but honestly, you know, if you're outside walking in the woods, your cheeks would probably get a little bit rosy from the exertion, right? So yeah, I'm going to put her in her stock and take another look at her with everything. The stock is extremely well made, detailed, nice quality. I look forward to putting her together with some of my other Maury dolls, and I will probably do a separate video, I'm thinking, where I show all my little Maury dolls. Yeah, because I have a pull-up Maury, and then I have Blythe, which I kind of, well, one of them is a Maury girl already that I got as a Maury girl, and then the other ones I turned into Maury girls, but somewhat. But I think she's going to look so cute with them displayed. Yeah. All right, let me get her all dressed up for you. All right, folks, so I wanted to show you the socks with the shoes. These socks are super thick, and I could barely get the shoes on, and she is hanging on by a thread here. This foot in particular here kept flipping on me, so probably I'm going to find some stockings, other, you know, because I don't want her feet to get stained anyway. I will probably find some white thin socks to replace these stockings, so she could wear these shoes, because you can see, I don't know if you can see, but they're very, very thick. They're just way too thick for this doll's shoes, okay? Yeah, so it was really hard to get those shoes on. I don't have her pinafore little apron on yet. I wanted to show you her in all this whiteness. Super cute. This was fiddly, of course, not a big surprise. And actually, it's odd. It's basically a big piece of this netting, and then this is put on in the center, but it's really not centered. It's not in the center. So maybe that means that the bow should be on the side and not, you know, behind her head. That could be what that means. But look how sweet she is. I'm just tickled with this girl. She's going to look really cute next to my Hello Arden stock doll. She was a special doll from Junie Moon. And I think the two of them, if you have her already, those two dolls, this doll and Hello Ardent, are just going to look adorbs together. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. All right, so I'm going to put her pinafore on, and I think I'm going to find some socks. And her little purse. She needs her purse too. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, so I have different socks. These are much better. I will say these shoes, they're not some of my favorite. They're kind of hard to keep on her. They want to pop off. If I had my druthers, I would say I would have liked some of those boots. Like these boots right here. These are some of my favorite Takara shoes. They look super cute and they fit them well, and they kind of give them a little support around the ankle. This girl, because these have heels, you have to watch it that her ankle doesn't twist a little bit, okay? So she has her little tote bag, you know, because if you're going out into the forest, you have to bring stuff, and you might find some flowers or fun shells or rocks that you want to bring back. And I guess, I don't know, maybe I guess other places there aren't shells in the forest, but in Florida there are. I have shells in my backyard. And then here she has her pinafore over her dress. This is really, really cute. I like the dress though a lot, so, but I don't know. I do really like the pinafore, and it has, you know, this fabric on there with Blue Rabbit on it. And I might just keep calling her Blue Rabbit. I love rabbits. I put her green eye chips on, and they look really, really nice on her, especially with this little, I don't know what you call it, headband sort of tie thing. But here she is. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. I cannot even stand it. So the thing about these dolls is that, you know, there's not immediate gratification at all, okay? So she was released in July 2022, July 22nd, 2022. She was supposed to be shipped out on July 29th. She did not ship out until, what is it, a couple of weeks, like August, about mid-August. I think August 17th is when they told me she shipped out to me, okay? And so then that means I pre-ordered her probably in June, if not earlier. So yeah, June, July, August, it's almost September. So, you know, 2 to 3 months you're waiting around for your doll. And so sometimes you're not sure when she arrives, like, am I really going to like her? And sometimes I have caught myself sort of like, you know, second guessing myself. Why did I buy the doll? Oh my goodness. But no, she is going to be excellent addition to my Mori Girl collection. And I love her hair color. It's beautiful. She's a beautiful, sweet doll. And let me know what you guys think of her in the comments down below. What do you think about her hair? If anybody has her, of course, I'd love to hear about your experience with this doll. And if anybody's gotten any of the newer Good Smile Company dolls, I'd like to hear what your thoughts are on the quality. I got lucky with her. Maybe, I don't know, but she looks great. Alright guys, thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. It really helped my channel out. I'm trying to, you know, build up my subscriber base. As usual, I appreciate a thumbs up. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.